This is a quick tahini salad dressing. Okay, so for this we need sesame seeds, we need garlic cloves, we need a little bit of lemon juice, olive oil, salt, and pepper. That's all we need for this delicious sauce. So here we are with the sesame seeds, and I usually prepare about a cup because I like to have leftovers for the rest of the week. And you can either eye it or measure it, it's up to you. I like to put, and this you can measure it as you like, 2 garlic cloves. And I like mine a little bit lemony, so I put a little bit of lemon. You can do it without lemon also. And olive oil, about 3 tablespoons, okay? About 3 tablespoons, just for the delicious taste of the first cold pressed olive oil. And we're going to add a quarter teaspoon of salt, or salt to taste, And I like it salty, so, and I like to put pepper. Not everybody will like pepper. I love it with a lot of pepper. So now we're going to put some filter water. See, so we have the garlic, we have salt, we have the sesame, and we're going to put more or less, okay, about a cup of water. I usually like to cover my seeds a cup and a half. I did not measure, but you're going to have about, let me check. Yeah, about a cup and a half of water. And now let's turn this on. You will see the sauce. It's nice and thick. Okay, you can do it if you want a little bit thinner, or you can leave it a little bit thicker. It all depends what you want. And let's taste it and let's see what happens now. It's good. It's good. It has a lot of garlic. I should have put a little bit less, but to make it a little bit more lemony, a little bit more lemon, and I think that will offset. You see, because it's important to learn these steps. When you put too much of something, what else can you put to fix it? So I know that if it's too much garlic for me, if you put lemon, the garlic is going to be more subtle. So let me mix it one more time. Try it one more time. And voila. Now the sauce is perfect. So if you are going to do this for children, maybe you want to try less garlic. If you are going to, unless the children love garlic, then you can go with 2 cloves. If not, go with 1. This sauce is excellent to use with celery sticks, with carrot sticks, with whole lettuce leaves, with cucumbers, with all kinds of vegetable sticks, and it's a phenomenal sauce. This sauce also, you can use it if you water it down for salad, and this sauce can be a base for if you make little veggie burgers and you want to put a sauce. This is a phenomenal sauce, and it's easy to make. You just put all the ingredients in the blend it, and done. So I hope you like this recipe and see what your whole tribe has to say about it.